Let's cut the cake. Man, where is my ring? Which ring, man? I had a diamond ring. It's an engagement ring. It was a little loose. I don't know where it fell. If it fell here, then it must be here, no? Was it expensive? Yes, man, it was for 1.5 lakhs. And forget about the price. It's an engagement ring. What if she finds out? Oh, look, if it fell here, we'll find it here. You do one thing, you search for all of us. You'll find out if someone has the ring or not, or it fell down. What are you saying, man? I won't search for you guys. You're all my friends. Why can't you search to us? Look, we don't want you to think that one of us stole your ring. So you do one thing, you search for all of us. If someone has it, then you will find it. And if you don't find it, at least you will be satisfied that one of us didn't steal the ring. There's nothing in my mind, okay? I can never imagine that my friends will steal my ring. I don't want to search for it. Bro, Sagar is right. Search to us. It will take 5 minutes to search for it. And we don't have any problem. Yeah, he is right. Search for all of us. I don't have any problem. That's right. You. Why are you not saying anything about the searching? You also say something? Why would he search for it? He's our friend. And why would we steal our friend's ring? I got it. Why did you call this poor guy to your party? And I think that he's the only one who stole it. That's why he's refusing to search for it. Bro, why would I steal the ring? Then what's the problem in searching for it? Bro, friendship is based on trust. If he searches for it, then trust along with the friendship will be gone in a minute. Oh, I see. Look what is it talking. You have stolen a ring worth lakhs of rupees. Virat, that's why, man. I don't like to be friends with poor people. Oh, leave it, man. Look, all of you are my best friends. And I don't think any of you have stole it. I don't want to search for it, okay? Let's cut the cake. Okay, as you wish. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Here's the ring. If the ring is here, why didn't Manish let me search for it? Manish? Bro, you are here? Yes, I wanted to talk to you. Bro, I told you I didn't take your ring. I know you didn't take it. I found the ring. I had kept it in the bathroom, so I forgot about it. Oh, that's good that you found the ring. It was expensive anyway. Yeah, I found the ring, but tell me one thing, if you didn't take the ring, why didn't you let me search for it? Yeah, come on, bro. What nonsense are you talking about? You found the ring, right? No. I want to know why you didn't let me search for it. You know my situation. How and how not. My son has been sick for so many days. I don't even have money for his medicines. I can't even get him treated. When you came to invite me to a party, I did want to go. But my son said, Papa, you go to the party. It's a big party. And on your way back, you get some sweets for me. I want to eat sweets. Bro. So I went there to get sweets for my son. And I didn't let you search for it because if your friends would have searched to me, they wouldn't have found the ring in my pocket. They would have found the sweets. What would I have told them? Why did I steal the sweets? I didn't want to tell them that I stole the sweets for my son. I would have told them about my son's illness. Bro, I don't want my son to get involved in all this. That's why I didn't let you search for it. Forgive me, bro. I didn't know you were going through such a bad situation. And forgive me for what happened yesterday. It's okay, bro. Why are you apologizing? It's not your fault. You do one thing. You tell me. How much will it cost to get your son treated, and where should I get him treated? I will get him treated. Bro, you. Yes. What's the point of earning so much money if it doesn't help my childhood friend? For me, money is not important. Person is important.